God have mercy upon us.
Relationship these days na game o. It's a game of cheat or get cheated on.
Okay, like so this transaction.
I swear.
Say, okay, do you believe in love?
Go ask your grandfather.
Not be only love. I beg you. I don't believe there is nothing like love. Love na scam. Love no day.
Why?
Love no day.
Why?
You.
Why love no day?
You don't need to ask me why. You must say, look at what they happen, what they solve. Relationship these days na game o. It's a game of cheat or get cheated on.
Okay, like so this transaction. Okay, you wey be girl now, they tell me say una love self na money. If they give una money, give love. Even men.
Who no like money? As a man, you no like money.
Okay, love now na game of transaction.
It's a game of transaction and it's a game of cheat or get cheated on.
Okay, oh.
God have mercy upon us.
For relationship, will you allow your boyfriend to take care of your family, including you?
Why not? Why not? I was on my own. He came and he toasted me. I agreed. He garnished me. He knocked me. So it is right. It is his responsibility to take care of me and my family join.
If they pay for the knack, where they knack?
Why not go pay? Not be my body. He go pay. Not beside they do runs or prostitution, no. But as long as they garnish me, he got to take care of anything I ask him to take care of. My family join. They are all his responsibility. He will take care of it.
A guy will never marry you.
And so what? He will do it.
A guy
he will do it. And now because he didn't garnish me. Garnishing is easy for free. It's not for free. Now if it's for free, man, just give me my
the guy they support you. They take your own.
God have mercy upon us.
Still allow a man take you.
If not like this, my mom come here. Hello, I need 50,000. I beg, can you loan me? I'll tell him, babe, my mom needs 50,000. I beg, run her 50,000. You go run her now. Why not? Not be his daughter in the garnish.
Jesus. So girls where they do that kind of thing now, they know they make mistake.
No good though. No good. Generally, you are not supposed to. I'm talking to other girls, so not for me.
Okay.
You are not supposed to allow your guy, person when never marry you, to they take care of you and your family join. You know, make sense. Now, person son him be, now person brother him be. You cannot come and carry all your family responsibility and costs and everything and lay on him. It does not make sense. You understand? As a girl, yes, as his girlfriend, he's supposed to be taking care of your 20%. The 20% of your responsibility.
That means supporting you.
Yeah, just supporting you. That's the 20%. Okay. The rest is your responsibility. Your family is your family. Even if he's married to you, not your family. Okay. You understand? He'll be supporting you. And if he has a way to support your family later, he will do it because he's married to you. But your family is your family. Is their responsibility. You cannot come and carry your family's responsibility on your own and put on top a guy's hair whenever I even do anything for a day wine. Don't do that one self, you know, make sense. A person brought down boyfriend, son now. Okay. Mercy for him. I'm not talking about myself, okay. For them.
For them, generally.
Generally.
Chai. Okay. Oh.
God have mercy upon us. God have mercy upon us. I don't want to be a
Food no day, brother you water no day. And now I come to no good day. Every day 41 day for poor man wait if man give your mother them go show him face for crime fighter. Rich man wait if man give your mother we know they see their face for crime fighter. Rich man go dey yalla prayer mo dupe. Poor man go dey shout now.
God have mercy upon us.